Hello friends, and I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be tearing down this Casio FX-991EX calculator, and let's see. So we're gonna tear down calculator by opening all the 6 screws, and then we'll see what's inside of this. Either the internal looks beautiful or not in this calculator, and this calculator has provided a lot of help to a lot of you guys also, and it has helped a lot of students pass a lot of exams. And don't tear it yourself, it is done by professionals. It's the internal structure, beautiful green PCB, 2 wires connecting solar and other is connecting the battery, because it works on both. And let's see, it works right now after, so it just works beautifully. You can even use the calculator if you just remove the battery, you can use it without the battery. So let's test this hypothesis, either the calculator works without the battery or not. Right now there is not enough brightness. If I keep it just right near the light, then it shows something in that place. So that's how the solar actually doing some stuff. The battery actually is non-rechargeable battery, since we use it almost always when there is some source of light. So I think the battery is draining very slowly. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I've had a lot of fun recording this and uploading.